Hi, my name is Bill, and today I will be showing you how to replace the control panel screw for your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So on our oven here, this is our control panel, and we're going to go to the back of this oven and I'll show you where the screws go. So you can see here there's a few different types of screws, but we're just talking mainly about this one. And you can see here on this side, when I move it around, it's a little bit loose, so we just want to make sure everything's nice and tight on here. Grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And all we're going to do is you're just going to make sure that all the holes are lined up first. And once you've done that, you can grab your screw, line it up, and screw it in nice and tight. There we go. And you can see, not as wiggly anymore. So we'll turn our oven back around, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.